If you've looked at what your child is studying lately, you might feel a little out of your depth between new exam patterns and advanced topics in physics or math. The modern curriculum can feel like a foreign language. You're deeply invested in their success, from choosing the right school to funding additional coaching and extracurriculars. Yet, despite all that effort, a quiet anxiety remains. You're left wondering, is my child actually progressing the right way? The problem is how we track that progress. Right now, most parents rely on periodic report cards, the occasional parent teacher meeting, or updates from coaching institutes. But learning happens every single day. These intermittent updates only provide a delayed snapshot of the past, missing the daily reality of your child's academic journey. Because of this delay, specific gaps in understanding stay hidden. By the time you find out they're struggling with a core concept, the high stress exam period has already arrived. A lack of simple, real time clarity forces even the most involved parents into a state of reactive panic. Without a continuous window into the classroom, proactive guidance remains out of reach. Ease to Learn is designed with a clear understanding. Parents do not need to relearn academic subjects or analyze dense reports. You need clear, actionable insight. Meet Tony. He's an AI guide built directly into the platform to make supporting your child's progress accessible and completely stress free. This document outlines our simple progress system. Instead of waiting for complex academic reports, you get an instant view of how your child is doing. Green indicates learning is on track, yellow signals areas needing reinforcement, and red flags gaps requiring immediate attention. You no longer have to wait for a monthly test or a final term result to know where things stand. You have continuous awareness of their daily academic health. This early visibility changes the entire dynamic. At home, conversations shift away from interrogating low marks and turn into supportive discussions about specific actionable topics. When you catch these small gaps early, they are incredibly easy to fix. The student's confidence remains completely intact, and you avoid those rushed, high pressure revision sessions later in the school year. Removing the complexity of academic data turns an environment of anxiety and pressure into a calm space for targeted support. Many parents also struggle to understand exactly how standard school learning connects with intense competitive exam preparation. Ease to Learn maps this journey in two clear steps. First, we ensure a strong school foundation, making sure core concepts are learned, understood, and systematically reinforced. Second, we transition to focused competitive preparation. But instead of starting from scratch, the system targets only the specific gaps identified during that foundational learning. This progression creates a highly efficient study path. It completely eliminates unnecessary duplication of effort and protects the student from cognitive overload when progress is steady and highly visible. Frequent worry naturally disappears. The traditional exam time anxiety never gets a chance to build up. Your role in this process is entirely redefined. You do not need to be a teacher. You simply stay aware, encourage consistency, and act when the indicators prompt you. This builds a seamless partnership that directly connects what happens in the classroom, what the student practices at home, and what you see on your screen. By making academic progress simple and visible, Ease to Learn brings you out of the dark, aligning everyone around the most important goal: your child's success.